I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Phantom Wallet with Robinhood step by step. Enable crypto withdrawals in Robinhood, then open Phantom and generate a receive address for the asset you want to move. Paste that address into Robinhood withdrawal destination, double-check the network, and send a small test amount. Confirm receipt in Phantom, then proceed with larger transfers once you are confident everything worked. Make sure both Robinhood and Phantom are updated and your Robinhood identity verification is complete before starting transfers. Store your Phantom recovery phrase securely offline and never share it. Check fees and the correct network, and consider a small test transfer first to avoid mistakes. Track transaction ID and timestamps in case you need support, and only send larger sums after your test transfer confirms success. Initiate the withdrawal in Robinhood by selecting the crypto and amount, then paste the Phantom receive address exactly. Make sure the blockchain network you choose matches the Phantom address type to prevent irreversible loss. Send a small test amount first and monitor confirmations in both apps, keeping transaction ID and timestamps for troubleshooting. Once the test succeeds, you can transfer larger amounts confidently and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.